What's up guys, it's Josh. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another review for True Classic Tees. I'm super excited about this one guys because you had a lot of questions from my last review video for them asking about the V-necks and the tank tops. So I worked with True Classic Tees and that's what we're gonna go over today, is going over more of their summer fashion, which would be their V-necks and their tank tops. And as always guys, True Classic Tees is hooking us up today with a 15% discount code using Josh_15 at checkout. Just use the link down below in the description. Now guys, it is the middle of summer right now. We're in July. Right now in Colorado, it's about 90 to 98 degrees every single day. What does that mean? That really just means that our attire in our wardrobe is switching up a little bit, kind of finding ways that we can have a little bit more breathable clothing so we're not super hot when we go out, but we still want to be stylish. Now, like I said in the last video, one of the things I love most about True Classic Tees is that part of their proceeds goes to helping homeless veterans find housing. Now, like I said in the last video, you're not just getting a great quality shirt that's fashionable, but you're also working to help with a great cause. So if you guys are wanting not only to look fashionable this summer, feel good, but also help with a great cause, like I said, just use the discount code Josh_15 in the link below. The first thing I want to talk about with not just the V-necks and the tank tops, but in True Classic alone, is their pricing, guys. Their pricing for their quality is unbeatable. So this V-neck right here, this is just a navy V-neck from True Classic Tees, runs about $15.97, rounding up right around $16, but you get 15% off using Josh_15. So this deal right here alone is one of the best that you can find out there. If you go to a store, you're not gonna get the discount. You're gonna pay overpriced for quality that doesn't even come close to what True Classic Tees quality is like. Now, True Classic Tees has a variety of colors. They can really cover any color that you're looking for. The three that I have are the navy blue, the gunmetal, and the military green. So going off of that, the color of these V-necks, the fabric is lighter, and the cut in the V-neck right down here comes down a little bit lower, makes it a little bit more breathable for you, and it's just a perfect t-shirt to have during summer. One of the biggest things True Classic Tees is known for is that their shirts, their products are already pre-shrunk, right? So when you wash them at home, you only get a 5% shrink. And one of my favorite things about these shirts is that right out of the box, these fit so perfectly, right? You're not having to struggle with washing it beforehand. You can literally throw it on, walk out the door, and it looks like you have a nice fitting t-shirt that's comfortable because of the fabric. So all that to say that when you buy these shirts, buy the size you usually get, right? Sometimes I have to go extra large. With True Classic, I always go large because I know right out of the bag it's gonna fit perfectly, and I don't have to worry about it shrinking to a in between a medium and a large once I wash it. It's already where it's gonna be, maybe a 5%. Sometimes I don't even think it's that much. I think it still fits the same. So what you get right out of the bag is what you're gonna have forever. The plain heavy metal V-neck is actually one of my favorite shirts I have right now because it's such an edgy but yet fashionable and sophisticated look. You can wear this V-neck with anything from black ripped jeans to tan rolled up shorts above the knees that just kind of give you that classy look with some white sneakers. I promise you can go to any event, any party, any social gathering, maintaining 6 feet apart, and you're gonna look extremely fashionable and you're gonna stand out. Again, the fit on True Classic Tees is, really it's unbeatable. I don't think I've ever had t-shirts that fit this well and always fit this well. They don't loosen up around the arms. You don't have to worry about it getting loose on the chest. What you're wearing and how it fits right out of the bag is how it's always going to fit. Again, same V-neck, just different color. Price is running around $15.97. Obviously you add tax, but with the 15% discount, you're getting a great deal. Now I know a lot of you guys have already purchased your True Classic Tees from the last video of the crew necks t-shirts. I would love to hear your feedback. So if you can, guys, drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think of True Classic Tees, the feel, the fabric, the fit, and the cost. I mean, you can't beat what True Classic is doing, and the amount of help you guys are doing to help homeless veterans find housing is it's just really humbling that we can help with that experience. So please drop those comments down below. Let me know what you think and how you feel about True Classic Tees. All right, guys, lastly, I want to talk about the tank tops over at trueclassictees.com. Guys, these are they just blew my mind. I'm not a big tank top wearer. I don't, unless I'm going to the pool, maybe working out. But True Classic Tees has literally changed my perspective on that. I wear these tank tops everywhere. I'd say first and foremost, I wear them and love them because they're so breathable. The fabric on this is just like the V-necks and the crew necks, but it's a little bit thinner. And really overall, this tank top is far beyond any other tank top I've ever worn. Usually they're either too thin or they're too heavy and you feel like you're just wearing a t-shirt without the sleeves, and it's not easy to breathe in, and it's super hot. What they've done at True Classic is they found the perfect in between where you have a breathable material, but it's thick enough to where you don't feel like you're wearing nothing, but you're also not sweating because of the thickness of it. Now the price of the tank top is just the same as the V-necks, right? So you're running that $15.97 plus tax, shipping. Now, like I said, this is the hottest time of the year. We're right in the middle of summer. July is here. It's time to pull out the tank top, to wear out the V-necks, right? So something breathable, fashionable, looks good, and allows you to feel comfortable in what you're wearing and not overheat. But right out of the box, super nice. And in the fit of it, right, it's stretchy. So it's not like a stiff feeling. It's not uncomfortable to wear. It stretches, elongates right against your body perfectly, so it forms perfectly to the physique of your body. Again, outside of that, the wash on this is already done. You're only gonna probably get more like a 5% shrinkage after washing for the first time. After that, it's good to go. But again, 5% is nothing, so order what you wear, right? Don't order above, don't order down below. What you wear, what you're comfortable with, is what you need to order from True Classic. Now lastly guys, when I'm working with brands, I love to know that I can communicate and things can work in accordance with the customer working with the brand. And I wanted to give that because I feel like that gives you guys confidence working with True Classic Tees, knowing that they reach back to you as quick as they can. If something's wrong with your order, they'll fix it. So I really just want to give a shout out to True Classic Tees, their management team over there. You guys are phenomenal. The way you work, the way you communicate and put your customers first is second to none. So guys, if you are interested in upping your summer fashion game, use that discount code Josh_15. Go to True Classic Tees, the link down in the comments below. Check out some of their products, the V-necks, the tank tops, the crew necks. Guys, they're loading up, they're stacking up for you guys. As always guys, please like, share, subscribe, drop some comments down below. Let me know what companies you like that you're curious on. If the product's good, I'll reach out to them, get a product review video going for you guys, and I will work on always having discount codes so you guys can get discounted prices here on my channel. I hope you guys have a great day, great rest of your summer, and I will see you next time.